Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. I'm about to jump in my car real quick, so while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see me explain to y'all what I got on today. All right, y'all, I just want to give y'all my little bummy outfit today. I'm real tacky, I'm real casual, I'm real comfortable, and yes, I'm going out in the world looking like this. So let's talk about what I got on. I have on this shirt that I got from Five Below, because baby, do y'all know they got little graphic tees in there? Yes, for $5. So I got this shirt from there. Child, y'all, my baby, we comfortable, okay? I got some little black sweats. These my little cleaning sweats. When I got these on, that mean I done clean my house because they got like little bleach stains all over them. I got these from Walmart. I don't know how much they cost. And then I got these little fake Yeezy looking slides. These little red ones. I got these from Walmart too. Oh, and then I stole my husband champion hat. I think it's my husband. It might be one of my kids. Alright, now that y'all see me looking a hot mess, I can tell y'all where we're going. Well, y'all probably already know by the title. But we are headed to the thrift store. I'm so excited because I'm meeting up with my friend Britnii. We went to school together. Y'all seen her in my vlogs a few times. I absolutely love the way she dressed. Baby, sis dresses her butt off. Her style is her style though. Me personally, I can't rock what she rock because I feel like I would look crazy. But when she rock it, oh baby, she rocks it. Sis can dress, but she also, like, she enjoys thrifting too. So it's like she be taking vintage pieces and putting it together. Maybe she be putting stuff together that I wouldn't even think to look twice at, and it'd be cute. But y'all also know I always tell you I don't have style. Like, I'm not the fashion girl. I want to learn. I want to get into fashion a little bit. I want to learn fashion rather a little bit because I'm a girl. Like, how are you a girl and you don't know fashion? Like, I know how to put some stuff together to match and look decent, but I don't know how to style. That's the word. I do not know how to style. And so I want to learn how to style. So I'm meeting my girl at the thrift store, and she's gonna, you know, I guess I'm just gonna kind of watch what she do or what she pick out, and pick out some pieces myself and learn how to put some stuff together. Cause baby, I don't know how to do that. Don't know how to do that. So I'm super excited. I think she said her husband is with her too. She does have a YouTube channel, but I'm gonna leave that up to her and her husband to tell y'all what their channel is, and then if they don't get on camera, then I'll put it across the screen. But I'm so excited. I got my daughter with me. She back there laying down. So yeah, because by me having a daughter, yes, I needs to know how to do all of this. So when she get a little older, then I can have her right on together. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, this my friend. Look, see, she cute. Don't play with her.
Hey, Shady Babes. I'm Britnii. Y'all can go subscribe to my channel, Running Mouths with Britnii. It is a journey of me running my half marathon. I'm turning 35, so 35 running into 13. So I'm gonna be running a half marathon in March. So go follow, subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram, Britnii_Vonn. Thank you.
Period.
Like, I would put a belt on and some thigh-high boots, turn it down, and I'll just wear it like regular. Like,
I would never even think to pick that up.
Really? Yes, super cute. Like, I have it imagined. Like, I'm probably gonna put on like this khaki belt that I have, and then I have some khaki thigh-high boots.
Okay, so is everything in here $2? Everything?
Everything.
What the heck?
Oh yeah, and take off your hangers.
Oh.
They're gonna make you take out, and they'll yell at you if you don't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything is $2.
Okay, y'all, we got to start searching. Everything is $2.
But since it is $2, you gotta search.
search.
When you go to the other ones, oh, they got a little one.
Oh, that's a you can run with that. Cause you be running.
Yes.
That's cute. Okay, $2 stove. Okay. Baby, I'm excited. Okay, I gotta put y'all down so I can kind of look and search. Cause Britnii and I finna get all the good pieces, baby.
No, okay.
So I gotta look.
Down there and you can start here.
It don't matter no way. It ain't like I know how to pick it out. Y'all, she found me a blazer.
So cute. $2.
I like that. I like this. All the blazers are down there.
Yes. So
Okay.
I got this one for you for sure. I'm gonna let you go through everything else, but those are yours for sure.
Cute.
And then same thing.
I would typically run from that.
You would?
Well, this one too because it's color.
What color is this season? It
Okay.
really is. Like the neons, the orange, the pink.
It stands out.
Oh my god. That is like what's popping right now. So it's the same thing. So you just push up.
Scrunch it up. Okay.
And you can have it on like with a t-shirt like this, some jeans, some heels.
Okay. Gotcha. I be seeing the girls like that. Okay. Get me together.
And
Get
it's
me
the
together.
oversized. The oversized is what's in right now. Everybody's wearing oversized clothes. So yes. And
Oversized.
the neon color. So you got an oversized and a neon color. You in that thing.
Period.
Black blazer, that white tube top you just had on,
Ugh.
and these shorts.
Yeah,
and
I'm
some strappy shoes.
so afraid of these shorts.
You should get, oh my god, that's so good.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of them damn shorts. Okay, I'm gonna do it because you know what you be doing.
You got to. They good.
I'm just gonna trust you. I just feel like woo.
They're so good. And on top of that, they are. You've been taking out the girl. Take out them hangers out. They gonna cut you out in Spanish.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know if I was keeping everything. I was just bringing them to show you.
Okay. But yeah, so these kind of aren't a little big on the waist.
They
Your
look
waist is
cute.
small. But
Let me put them on over these pants.
yes.
Baby, I'm so scared of these. Ooh.
They big with the pants, nah.
Yeah,
But can you fold it? Wait, let me see. Cause you could put a belt, like you could pull them up like this and make them high waist and put a belt. Give me a second, I'm gonna grab a belt.
A belt?
Yeah, let me show you.
Y'all, I would never. Hold on, bring y'all up to me. I would never think to buy something like this. Like what? What? But my girl be dressing, so I'm gonna trust her. Y'all, I done found this big old. Hold on, let me come back.
You have to do that, and you need to get a NYC, like one of them NYC caps.
Okay.
You can actually just put in it right there.
It's too big.
That's the point.
Am I wearing this as a dress or a shirt?
You can do it either or. So always remember it's the arm. But this one fit. It's gonna fit because do your thing with the folding. Yep. And you get it, keep it folded just like this.
Oh, you do real good at folding.
Yes.
Okay.
Do this, yes. So you can cinch this in with a belt.
See, I don't have belts.
Okay, you don't? So let's keep it open.
What kind of belt? Them thick ones that we used to wear back in the day?
Thin or thick. Most of like I've been doing thin lately, and that's what you would do with this. So you would make this into a style, like
With these on?
No.
Oh. I'm gonna say, Britnii, you take me too fast.
I would definitely do it, but I'm not gonna take you that fast because I would actually.
You would make? You would do these?
I would do this together.
I would. Would not. You okay? Wait. You would wear this shirt with these shorts and this.
Yeah, I would, and probably with my pandas.
I have pandas.
Yeah.
I need
What's pandas?
The dunks. But
the black and white dunk.
I don't want to take you too fast. So
Yeah,
with
that's-
this one, okay. So with this, the New York hat, and you can put this on with. I would put like a white shirt under it and some denim shorts.
Yeah.
Some shorts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Ooh, y'all, we learning. We learning.
Yeah. With,
Football.
yeah, with some denim shorts. And the denim shorts is what's gonna make it really nice because it's oversized. So
Yeah.
the shorts is what's gonna make it fit.
Okay, so they can be real short because it's long.
Because it's long.
Okay, y'all, listen.
It's a good shirt too, but I can't get it. It'll be good on
Listen, y'all. Britnii is saying We back with these shorts, and I found this shirt.
Yeah. Yes, you gotta put a belt around it, and then this is gonna like look like kind of
Because the belt gonna be tight.
yes, and it's gonna cinch your waist, and you can put on
Strappy shoes or the pandas with the scrunchy socks.
and your big hair.
Oh, my big hair, my natural hair, or the weave?
Either or that wig.
Ooh, I love that wig. I got a new one I'm gonna put on today. Okay, y'all,
No, this is a good shirt too.
we learning, y'all. We learning. I wouldn't naturally gravitate to this. I would run from this, but
It looks crazy right now because she has on everything else, but once it's styled,
she said I'm gonna be good. So, period, y'all. Let's keep searching.
yes.
Y'all, look at these shoes. Baby, I'm so nervous. I thought maybe Britnii was gonna tell me, oh my God, these are cute. All right, y'all, look. Let me see. So my friend was like, what do you think about this purse? I told her I didn't like it because I honestly don't see me doing anything with it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let me see the shirt. Earlier today, I probably got it on camera. I don't know if I did or not, but she had got this shirt and I'm like, ooh, like, what would you wear with this? Like, I would literally walk past this. I wouldn't look twice at it. And she was like, no. She would wear like a blue she would wear like a blue skirt with it. Okay. Then she picked up these what are they called? Tailored slacks.
Tailored like slacks, yeah.
Tailored slacks,
Pleated
right?
slacks.
So everything was picked up at different times. Again, I will walk past the purse and I will walk past this, but I will look at those, but I probably wouldn't buy them. But she said she's gonna put this shirt with those slacks, which made it cute. And then she was like, she gonna throw this purse with it. And I'm like, okay, I see the vibes. But that's where I suck at. Like, I don't get the vision. Like, somebody gotta style it and then it becomes cute. But if you looking at me to style some stuff, child, let's just keep praying about it.
But you see how I just do things in there? 'Cause I'm like, that could be good, that could be good.
Yeah,
And then I was like, oh, that's gonna be good together.
that's gonna be good. Yeah.
But
Oh,
then also when you go home and you put this stuff in your closet and you sit it next to different things.
yeah.
And what I don't recommend is like, what I recommend is like putting light colors together, even if it's patterns, like patterns different, like, because it'll help you style it in your closet the way it looks. You like, oh, that looks good.
Like
to
color
the
coordinating patterns and stop shop.
Not really color, some similar colors. Like use that palette wheel.
Okay.
If you go and download that palette wheel and put your closet in accordance to that, it will style itself.
Well, right now my closet is black,
But
black
throw
and
this
white
stuff-
maybe.
throw this
So I got
in
some
there.
stuff in here.
Yeah. This was an amazing thrift day. If you could come out of here with 1 to 2 to 3 items, it was a good day. We came out here with outfits.
A lot.
A lot of outfits. So today was a success. She about to be, what? Come on. Every Thursday you're not gonna find this. But some Thursdays, which was this Thursday, baby. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I have came home and I've washed the clothes that we picked up today. I'm not gonna lie. Some of these pieces are a lot of bit, something that I wouldn't wear. But I trust my girl Britnii because, baby, she be dressing her butt off. And although I don't want to copy her style, I still want to figure out what my style is. But I'm still going to, like, she's helping me learn. Like, I don't know what my style is. She's helping me style pieces because, see, I can put some stuff together and make it match, but I don't know how to style it to, like, accessorize it and bring stuff together. My husband's calling. He's gonna have to wait. So I ain't gonna lie, like, this piece here, baby, I'm scared of these. And she got it. She told me to get that to go with this button down shirt. Terrified. She's so excited for me to wear this, and y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm so scared to wear it. I'm probably gonna be somewhere hiding. Scared. But I'm going to trust her. Because, baby, I wouldn't have never looked at these two pieces. Ever. But y'all remember cat hair? If you're new to my channel, you're probably not going to know what cat hair is. But if you are a returning subscriber, if you are a shady babe, then you know what cat hair is. Yeah, we got a new coat, and it actually fits. It's brown. And it don't got no cat hair on it. So I'm really excited about this little coat here. I washed it. And y'all probably don't want to see the pieces all wet and stuff. Y'all probably want it to be dry, like me do like a try on haul. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a try on haul from the thrift store, because I can, because I'm gonna be going to the thrift store every week, y'all. This is something that we're gonna add to the channel going forward. Like how I'll be going to networking events, I'm gonna be adding going to the thrift store, because it was actually fun, like looking at the pieces, telling her, ooh, that's ugly, and then she telling me, no, this is cute, this is what you wear with it, and then she put it all together, then it'd be cute as hell, and then I'd be like, damn, why couldn't I think of that? So like it was fun doing that today. Like I just can't wait till I get a sense of styling. Like, because baby, give me black, give me a dress. I like dresses because I don't have to think. Like, I don't gotta do none of that. Just give me a dress. But I'm trying to get out there. So this pretty much wraps up today's vlog. If y'all coming along with me to get some items from the thrift store. And I will see you guys tomorrow. What are y'all thoughts on Vlogtober so far? Are y'all enjoying it? I hope so, because Vlogtober is kicking my butt. Yeah, it is. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I bleached the jacket. How did I do that? Did I? I remember that bleach thing being there. Maybe it's been there.